Good day, sir. I am Remark C. Tebes. I'm 1B2 Electronics, and I am presenting the 13 elements of rhythm. Number 1 is beat. It is the timing or pulse that we need to follow in a music like when we are dancing. It is also considered as the basic measure of time in a music. Beat is one of the most important in elements because it will serve as a guide for us para makasabay tayo sa tugtog kung tayo ay sumasayaw. Like when we are listening to the music, we are tapping our foot to the ground kasabay nung beat or pulse. The next is tempo. This element is deal with the speed of beat and the movements. It is about on how fast or slow, called slow tempo and quick tempo in a piece of music. Sometimes we heard the BPM or beats per minute, which it indicates the number of beats in whole minute or 1 minute. In that way, we can know the tempo whether it is slow tempo or quick tempo. Next is intensity. It is the power or stress carried by the music or sound, which is considered to the which is connected to the music. We have already heard the word intensity in music. But what do you mean when you talk about the intensity? For example, we can talk about intensity in colors or flavors. We can say that this green is more intense than this other, or that the taste of dark chocolate is more intense than that of milk chocolate. And this is something similar happens to music. Kumbaga, ito po yung tinatawag na bigat ng tugtog. Next is the pitch. It is the property of sound which refers to the highness or lowness of the tones. Pitch can be determined only in sounds that have frequency that is clear and stable enough to distinguish from noise. Pitch is a major auditory attribute of musical tones along with the duration, loudness, and timbre. Ito ay ang paglakas o paghina ng tinis ng tunog. The next is accent. This element deals on how to emphasize a certain beat or giving a boldness to it. We are using it when we would like to emphasize a certain beat. Next is meter. It is about on regular repetition of beats and groupings based on its musical design with accurate measurement. Next is praise. It is about on groupings like music lyrics that we can sing in one breath. It is more likely the group of the lyrics in order to avoid too much long. Next is bar. Bar, it is the vertical lines to the stop that serve as a boundaries to define the measurements of a music. These lines are called bars in a stop. Count. This is about on counting of beats or pulses in music and dance. Counting is a system of regularly occurring sounds that serve to assist with the performance or audition of music by allowing the easy identification of the beat. Commonly, this involves verbally counting the beats in order to measure as they occur. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, just something like this. Note, it is a symbol representing a musical sound. Notes can be represent the pitch and duration of a sound in a musical notation. Measure. It is used in organizing every long parts of the music into a small unit. Me- Musical phrases are broken down into segments that show rhythmic groupings known, known as measures. Note pattern. This is refers to the patterns of melodies that appears when series of notes in distinct intervals are played at high speed. Step pattern. This element is referring to the movements according on how slow or fast the steps depends on the meter of the music. That's all, sir. Thank you.